There are many great ways to help your diesel engine have a nice long life. Taking care of your diesel engine does not take too much effort, but it does require some attention. Here are 5 tips to keep your diesel engine running smoothly for many years to come. Step number 1, change oil when recommended. Diesel engines are completely different than gasoline engines. However, they should be maintained similarly. Regular oil changes are very important. Change your oil as often as your owner's manual says. Having clean oil in your truck will prevent buildup and will help your truck run longer. Step number 2, monitor your gaskets. Since diesel engines are often exposed to extreme working conditions, it's a good idea to keep track of your gaskets and coolant hoses. Check that there are no leaks and that all bolts are properly torqued each time you perform regular maintenance. Step number 3, regularly replace air filters. Air filters need to be changed often. Once they become dirty, the air filter will not provide any benefit. Clean air filters prevent filth from getting into your engine. Preventing dirt buildup promotes a better maintained vehicle that will last much longer. Number 4, avoid idling your truck. Diesel engines are made to work hard when necessary. They are made to rev up and be constantly working. Since they are made this way, when your truck isn't working hard, it is important to realize that you are actually slightly hurting your truck. The only exception is when you are starting your diesel truck. It is important to give the engine time to warm up. Step number 5, be sure to follow your service schedule. Following the service schedule will keep your diesel up and running. This avoids any serious damages to occur to your diesel engine as it gets older. Following your service schedule will also help you catch a serious issue before it becomes a huge problem. The closer you follow your service schedule, the less likely you will have problems with your vehicle. These are 5 great tips that will enhance the life of your diesel truck engine. Remember to check your engine periodically in order to keep it running smoothly. Diesel engines are made to work hard, but only if they are properly maintained. If your engine requires some maintenance, be sure to get quality products from HHP to keep your truck running smooth. Got questions for the experts? Talk to one of our techs at 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button for new tech tip videos and product updates from Highway and Heavy Parts.